So every Campfire guitarist needs at least one go-to song that's so easy you basically can't stuff it up. And it's got such simple lyrics that even people that don't know the song can sing along. Well, this is one of those songs. Let me show you. Hey there buddy Campfire Guitar Heroes, my name's Dene and welcome to another episode bringing you those forgotten songs we all love to remember. This one from U2, 1983, and this song they used to close out all their live concerts because it was such an epic outro. Now I'm going to do a playthrough at the end of this video where I have a bit of fun with the outro, basically mucking around with the E minor pentatonic scale. Now as you know, I'm a Campfire guitarist. I'm not a lead guitarist, so I'm learning the minor pentatonics and having to improvise. This is such a great song to practice those skills, and you'll see that on my playthrough at the end. Anyway, to this song, pretty simple, two chords, two basic chords, playing it in the key of G, and the other chord is a C. But of course, I make it even easier. I play it in the G and the C add 9. Now I'm going to put the chord patterns on the screen there because you're probably going, Dean, yes, I'm a left-hander, I'm playing upside down. Chord patterns there, just follow along. But a G and a C add 9 doesn't get much simpler than that. Now the glory of the song, it's the same two chords over and over for the entire song. So with only two chords, what could I possibly teach you about how to play the song? Well, let's start with the strumming pattern. Down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. Now you can do many different patterns, but that's how I play it, and let me show you it now on a G. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. I waited patiently for the Lord, He inclined and heard my cry. So that's how you strum this song out. Now an optional part of this song is the intro riff, where it's a bass line little riff, which I do in my playthrough, but it's based on the G and the C add 9. So let me show you, I'll just demo for you first now. So what am I doing there? I'm fingering the 3rd fret, the fat E string and the A string first. So I'm basically doing that, but I'm using 2 fingers because this finger is going to slide down to the 2nd fret on the 2nd phrase. So you start by picking the E and the D string for 3 beats, and then you're going to pick the E and the A string. Right, so hear that? E, D, E, D, E, D, E, A, E, A. And then you're going to slide that finger on the A string down to the 2nd fret and repeat. And then slide it up for 1. Let me repeat that phrase for you. Let's put those two together now. And that's how you play the bass intro to the song. And if you've got somebody who can master that little riff, they could play that, almost accompanying you as you launch into the verse and chorus, which is on the G and the C add 9. Two such great chords that go together. Waited patiently for the Lord, He inclined and heard my cry. I will sing a new song. So on like that, you know how the song goes, right? So that's the intro riff. Okay, so we've covered the intro riff, and remember I do a free song sheet for every one of my lessons. The link is below. It's free to download on my Patreon page. It's got the chords, the lyrics, everything you need to know how to learn, practice and play the song. So make sure you check that out after the video. Now the only other thing you really need to know about the song, you don't need to know, it's a nice to know, and that is that outro where you're just strumming out the G and the C add 9. in my playthrough, I do a bit of mucking around on the E minor pentatonic, and I'll leave the pattern up there. If you've never done that before, and I'm pretty green at it, I'll be honest, this is a great song to practice the E minor pentatonic, just improvising that pattern whilst you've got this as a backing track. If you remember that pattern, you can play that over the top of this song. Now, a couple of quick random facts about this song. Right, put out in 1983, and it was a bit of an accidental song. The band was recording the album War, and pretty much they were running out of studio time, and they had to get one more song together, or they felt they needed one more song to round the album out. So each come up with a guitar melody, and then Bono, who was lacking inspiration for lyrics, he actually turned to the Bible, believe it or not, and opened it up, and Psalm 40 were basically the inspiration behind the lyrics to this song. And if you check out my song sheet, you'll see that they closely resemble the words in the Bible. So the song was sort of, I guess, hurried together in the last hour or two of their recording, and the rest is history. So this song has become pretty much synonymous as their finishing song to live concerts. Now, whether you choose to make it a finishing song or a starting song, doesn't matter, just add it to your repertoire. And speaking of repertoire, don't forget to check out this playlist down here, the top 10 Campfire guitar songs of all time, your instant guitar playing repertoire. As you know, folks, because I'm covering a song that I don't have the rights for, I'm going to get a copyright strike from YouTube, probably will, which means I get no ad revenue from this video forever. So, hey, if you want to support a small YouTube channel like mine, don't forget to like and subscribe, or maybe go to my Patreon page, check it out, and maybe consider becoming a member of the Campfire Guitar Hero band. Look, any support you guys give me is truly, truly appreciated. Now remember, Campfire Guitar Hero, close enough's good enough. This is all about just having fun with great songs, and that's exactly what I do in the playthrough, which I'm about to show you right now.
I waited patiently for the Lord. He inclined and heard my cry. He brought me out of the pit, out of the miry clay. I will sing, sing a new song. I will sing, sing a new song. How long to sing this song? How long to sing this song? How long, how long, how long, how long to sing this song? He set my feet upon a rock, made my footsteps firm. Many will see and hear. I will sing, sing a new song. I will sing, sing a new song. How long to sing this song? How long to sing this song? How long, how long, how long, how long to sing this song?
Hey folks, thanks for watching. If you like these sort of lessons and like this sort of music, then check out this playlist down here, the top 10 Campfire guitar songs of all time, your instant song repertoire.